this is a rather, over-the-top claim to make. Basically, the insinuation was this, that Rahul Gandhi's yatra was aimed at Muslims. Remember, the Chief Minister also called it Mia Yatra earlier. Why?
I'll tell you now without beating around the bush. Though today you've been, Padmaja, for the good or the bad, been harping about that winnability word. I am now a bit scared. Why did I use that term? But, I have this to say. I did some homework. Even last time, a few days back, I was on your show on this particular issue, and I did some digging around. Rahul Gandhi was not denied blanket permission. Rahul Gandhi and his two key advisors on this particular part of the yatra in Assam, Gaurav Gogoi and Jairam Ramesh, were clearly told that you can visit this particular temple in Nagaon, because the entire problem started from there. He wanted to visit first the Shiva temple in Nagaon. He was told anytime after 3 p.m. District magistrate ने 3 बजे के बाद का वक्त दिया था. But Rahul Gandhi said, as is so typical of him, नहीं मुझे तो 10 बजे जाना, मुझे तो 11 बजे जाना है. So then the district magistrate, the local police took a call that no, the Pran Pratishtha ceremony is likely to get over by 1:32. After that only Rahul Gandhi and his cavalcade will be allowed. And I repeat, law and order is a state subject. If Himanta Biswa Sarma, by virtue of being the chief minister, decides that Rahul Gandhi ko permission nahi milni chahiye, to nahi milegi. Now why it was called a Mia Yatra? I don't like to use that word, so I will not use that word. But why he used this term, Himanta Biswa Sarma, I will tell you. Where did Rahul Gandhi's Assam Yatra start from? It started from Barpeta. Barpeta has a 71% Muslim population, 29% Hindu population. Wahan jaakar, in a 71% Muslim dominated area, what is the first statement made by Rahul Gandhi? He says, यहाँ राम की तो कोई लहर ही नहीं है भारत में, ये तो सिर्फ आरएसएस और बीजेपी आप लोगों को भड़का रहे हैं. In a 71% Muslim dominated area, आपको राम भगवान के बारे में भड़काऊ भाषण देने की जरूरत क्या थी? Then Rahul Gandhi breaks barricades which the police had put up there. तो राहुल गांधी का क्या स्वागत करना चाहिए?
Hold on a second. Let's Congress respond to this, because I want to refer specifically to what is on air right now. And this was again a very specific allegation that was made, Kamruzaman Chaudhary, that two areas Mr. Gandhi went to. One, he sat inside his bus because it was Hindu dominated, and the other, he sat on a car because it was Muslim dominated. And that's a direct charge that basically this was a yatra which was reaching out to only one demographic, the Muslims.
Swaja, you must understand the route map of the Bharat Jodo Nyaya Yatra that is went here. I don't know from where Sanju Verma got the Barpeta was the last leg of the Assam Yatra. We started in 14th of February from Manipur, a Hindu Maithi dominated locality. We entered a Christian dominated state of Nagaland. Then we entered Jorhat from Mariani. Jorhat has got only 5% Muslim population, and the rest are pure Assamese Hindu population. From there we progressed to Nagaon. Nagaon, we can say there is a sizable portion of the Muslim population because of the adjoining Marikau district. But Assam has got two major highways, Padmaja, one from Tinsukia to Dibrugarh and from Dibrugarh to Siliguri. That are the two major highways. Leave aside the NC Hills and the Meghalaya road going to Barak Valley and to Tripura. But you must understand the geography of the state. When you talk about why Rahul Gandhi Yatra did not get into Mahakamakya temple, because Rahul Gandhi's Bharat Jodo Yatra was not allowed to pass through the GS road of Guwahati. We were allowed only through the national highway, which cannot come to Mahakamakya temple, because Mahakamakya temple is located in Maligaon of Guwahati, which connects the GS road to the national highway. So that was a practical problem. The basic point out here is that the Assam chief minister is suffering from a very compulsive disorder of Rahul, what you call this? I can't name anything out this. Attention-seeking disorder that he is having.
Before Sanju Verma responds to this, because it's a direct comment on the Chief Minister of Assam, Tala